name is Lidea Porrill. I'm a heavy equipment technician at Canadian Natural Horizon site in the mine truck shop. I feel proud to be a part of Canadian Natural because they focus a lot on safety and they're always growing and there's opportunity to grow with them. When I first started here, and I had never even seen one of these trucks, now I know the B truck like the back of my hand. You get to have hands-on technical involvement. If you don't know something, somebody else does, and they're always willing to help. Camp life, I think it's great. You get free food, there's a free gym, there's free classes. It's a nice short walk to work every morning, so. A word of advice that I'd give to a future employee would be get a comfortable pair of boots. You're on concrete for 12 hours a day, it's gonna hurt for a couple of days. Comfy boots.